I used to work 14-hour days, not occasionally, not during busy seasons. 14-hour days were normal. I thought exhaustion meant dedication. I thought being tired meant I was doing something right. But what I was really building wasn't freedom, it was burnout. The day I realized that, everything changed. So, the reality of the 14-hour workday. As a teacher, my day didn't end when the bell rang. It followed me home. Lesson plans, grading, parent emails, meetings, weekend prep. And as many of you understand, you're working long shifts. Maybe not in the classroom. Maybe it's in healthcare, retail, corporate, or juggling two jobs here or there. But the pattern's still the same, my friend. You're trading your hours for income. And when the hours stop, the income stops. The moment the shift made for me was whenever I asked myself a hard question. Is this sustainable? Not just financially, but emotionally, physically, spiritually. Because freedom isn't about money. It's about time. And that's whenever I discovered something powerful was automations. What does automation actually mean? Automation doesn't mean push a button and get rich. It means you build once, you serve consistently, and you create systems that work for you while you rest. Digital education, affiliate marketing, email systems, evergreen content. Instead of trading hours, you're building assets. Instead of being paid once, you're creating reoccurring income. That shifts everything, my friend. So let me go over why less time can mean more income. Here's what a lot of people do not understand. Income doesn't increase because you work more hours. Income increases because you increase your leverage. A digital product can sell while you sleep. An affiliate link can generate commissions while you're on a sales call. A system can nurture people automatically. And when you remove yourself as the bottleneck, your income can grow without the burnout. So here's where the faith and the legacy comes in. For me, this wasn't just about more money. It was about creating a legacy for my family. It was about not missing those family moments anymore. It was about not being too tired to enjoy life. It was about building something that aligned with my values. Faith taught me this. We're not called to exhaustion. We're called to stewardship. And stewarding of your time matters. So how beginners really start in the digital online space? If you're listening to this thinking, I don't know tech. I don't have a following. I don't even know where to begin. Good, because I didn't either. You don't need to quit your job tomorrow. You don't need to work 10 extra hours at night. You need one model, one platform, one simple system. Consistency over chaos. I worked 14 hours a day, and today I work with intention. Less exhaustion, more impact, more time. And if you're tired of trading your life for that paycheck, well, then maybe it's time to build something that works for you. If you're ready to get started on your digital online journey, well, then click below, come follow me in my community, and get that Freedom Formula blueprint and get on your 90-day run with us to 30K, because we're fixing to start that tomorrow and you don't want to miss that, my friend. It's going to be epic.